Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Tesira server or a Tesira server-io and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, you're going to want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this server is frozen and not responding or not working in for any kind of reason, whether it's lagging or bugging, and you're just trying to clear out any kind of faults, a hard reset is a good step in that process. The other reason is if you're setting this up someplace new and you just want to get everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do this quite easily. So in this image it's not plugged in, but you're going to want to make sure there's power to it, and then you're just going to need to find the reset button. So if we look over here on the left, we can see it. There's this primary port here, and then just above it there is a recessed hole here. So what you're going to do is you're going to need to come in with a paper clip or whatever, you know the drill, and press and hold that button for at least 10 seconds and then release it. Once you do that, just wait a few minutes, and not even a few minutes, like a few seconds, and after that the reset process should begin. Allow it